like, I know you don't like hitting it in with a hammer.
I'm fine with that. Here's the,
But I do this, so I get it in, it doesn't go all the way in, you know? And then you go right there.
Show on your house. Hey, this is the trick of the trade right here. People need to know that, and you hit it back.
Yeah. Be scared to beat your wood.
Yeah.
I just don't want to be called out by a flooring guy who like
The phone?
yeah.
Show that too.
I'm gonna freeze up.
Don't freeze up.
I don't know what we can say. Alright. Mallet, tap it in, and then one tap here, and it's solid. But you want to make sure you hit it on this top edge or you'll damage that. So that's how you lay a floor.
Guys are gonna have to get used to having a camera in your face. This may be part of the
I
job.
feel like Freaky Bobby. I don't know what to do with my hands. Here, I'm a lefty.
Well, I'm just filming the floor right now.
I'm gonna need some help. Hey, can you come over, Kevin, over to the... What's behind this wall? Is this the studs?
You're gonna have like the step there. Yeah, yeah. Everything. There's studs there.
Okay, I need to go up to this.
Work. I get up there and there's a 1-inch bead of silicone around the whole thing. Actually, this will good. Puncture in here.
There's the platform, we glued it, and now we're gonna put screws in it so it won't squeak.
I'll go get the screw gun. Well, and then the bathroom.
In the bathroom. As soon as I get the stairs built. He's like, Bob does it. Every time Bob, Bob was supposed to be like the guru of construction. And they would always argue and fight because he says Bob doesn't know anything. Pretty funny. I thought we had one Bob.
If that was a snake, it would have bit him. Not good at finding stuff.
4 at 2:30. You gotta call them. You want to know?
They haven't called me yet.
You think they're gonna call you?
She has been.
Huh?
She has been.
You kind of need to call her. Make sure you have mud. She didn't.
Usually she'll call me the day before.
Yeah, if you don't call her, they'll cancel your order.
Hi, this is Stockton with Page Brothers. I was just seeing if I was still good for 2:30 today. Can we Is there any chance we could go a little earlier?
I could call and find out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
You probably could already had that figured out. You should call her first thing this morning.
They probably had cancellations. Could have been done. Going lunch.
They never call you talking about.
She does. Maybe eating donuts.
I think she likes hearing my voice. I want to be eating donuts today.
Let me just wait down here.
How many's up there?
I got mine right now. All right now.
Let's go pour some mud.
Woo! One job to the next.